If you want to go beyond just chatting with AI and actually build your own assistant, Poe AI lets you create custom bots in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create custom bots in Poe AI step by step. First, open Poe AI and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the option to create a new bot. Next, choose what type of bot you want to build. You can start from a blank bot or use an existing model like ChatGPT or Claude as a base. Now give your bot a name. This should clearly describe what it does, like SEO helper, blog writer, or study assistant. This is the most important step. You need to define clear instructions for your bot. Tell it exactly how to respond, what tone to use, and what tasks it should focus on. You can also customize the personality of your bot. For example, make it formal, friendly, or highly technical depending on your use case. Now test your bot by sending a sample prompt. Check if it responds the way you expect, and adjust the instructions if needed. If the output isn't perfect, go back and refine your instructions. Small changes in wording can make a big difference in results. Once you're happy with the setup, save your custom bot. You can now use it anytime for writing, research, or productivity tasks. And that's how to create custom bots in Poe AI. Yeah, once you start building your own assistants, you can speed up your workflow and automate a lot of tasks. Thanks for watching and good luck building your AI bots.